In this video, I'm going to show you how you can automatically blur your background here within Premiere Pro. Before we dive into this, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. But if you want to blur the background in Premiere Pro, here's how you can do it. First, find the video clip that you'd like to use and put it on your timeline, and then go to the Effects tab over here. Go ahead and search for the Gaussian blur, and then drag that onto your video clip. Now go ahead and navigate to the Effect Controls tab, and what you're going to want to do is actually select the pen tool that's right underneath the Gaussian blur. From here, you're going to want to carefully trace an outline around your subject. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and do this just a little bit quickly since we're making a video on it. But obviously, the more precise that you are with your tracing, the more precise the blur around your subject is going to be. Now, I'll be honest, that actually wasn't terrible. Now, if you want to go ahead and enable the automatic mask tracing, go ahead and click the stopwatch right here next to mask path, and then hit play, and then it's going to analyze your current clip, and Premiere Pro is going to automatically track your subject frame by frame and make sure that they're masked out so your background can stay blurred. Now, if you want to make it even blurrier, what I recommend doing is actually increasing the blurriness all the way up to 100%, and then make sure you hit this invert blur so it blurs the background instead of your subject. I recommend adjusting the feather and the opacity just to make it more tuned to whatever you would like. But as you can see right there, that looks pretty good. But that's it. You now have an automatic blurred background here in Premiere Pro, which is perfect for making your subject stand out. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really does help us out and lets us make more content like this. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.